Line table screen printing is a screen printing technique where the platens is aligned to each other like a table. That's why they call it line table. Screen printing originated from China and it was adopted by other Asian countries like Japan and later introduced to Western countries, and now it is still popular especially in printing garments. In Asia and other countries like Africa, they mostly use line table screen printing, while in Western countries like US, they are using rotary press. When I research about why rotary press is popular in Western countries like US, according to them, rotary press can fit on smaller spaces but not always, and it's a little bit high-tech and people more accustomed to doing things more systematically, and there's a lot more reason if you search it on the internet. But I think line table is more profitable than rotary press because line table screen printing is more flexible depending on the actual setup, can print multiple colors or unlimited colors, it is easy to register the screens, very easy to set up of contact, and the cost of the construction is really cheap. Now I'm going to show you our own setup of line table screen printing. Here's the storage rack for screens. If you want a fast production, I think this setup is the best where the screen storage is adjacent or next or besides to your line table. All our screen is already aligned on all platens we have, so we don't need to align every time we print. That's one of the advantage on line table. In rotary press, you need to set up, adjust every time you change the screen design based on what I see. In line table, as long as the registration panel and registration attachment doesn't change, you don't need to worry about adjusting the screen every time you print. All you have to do is to take out the screen on the storage, place it on the platen, and then start printing. The only thing we need to adjust is when placing the t-shirt, but we came up an idea dealing this kind of problem. We put a mark on the platen based on the size of the t-shirt, small, medium, large, and XL, so that we don't need to check the screen and the t-shirt every time. But sometimes we need to check it for more accuracy in printing. We have 21 platens total and 4 printers. The printers can print 100 designs in one day according to them. So that's not bad for fast production, right? So here's the conveyor, the ink storage, more screen storage, the single platen for adjusting the registration attachment before we burn, the exposure box, drying box, the washing area, and our line table screen printing. If you are interested how we process screen printing step by step, I will put the link in the description. Now, I'm going to show you some printing that printers do on the production. So that's it guys, if you like our video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos about line table screen printing. Thank you very much for watching.